Hi, I'm Priyanka Yoshikawa. Right now, I'm nearby Haneda Airport, which is the biggest airport in Japan. And continuing from last time, we'll be bringing you the program from JAL Sky Museum.
JAL Sky Museum is located inside the Haneda Airport Maintenance Center building and is an experience-type museum where visitors can learn about the work of air travel and the history of JAL. In addition to introducing the work of aircrew and ground staff who ensure the safety of flights, they also show products and services from the present day to the future.
Showing us around the facility is Satomi Yoshihara of the PR Office of Japan Airlines.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I see models of airplanes here. What kind of section is this? The models here represent the history and changes in airplanes used by JAL since its birth. All of them are 1/50th scale models, and you can see how the sizes, shapes, and features have changed over the decades. Is this the latest plane? This is the Airbus A350, and compared to planes before, it's more lightweight and fuel efficient and is environmentally friendly. You just saw models of airplanes, but I'd like to take you to see an actual airplane now. So let's go to the hangar. I'd love to. Ms. Yoshihara, this is exciting. Beyond these doors is the hangar. Let's go inside, okay. This is pretty amazing. I can see the planes. It's not something you get to see every day. Yes. We here at JAL offer a program as part of our factory tour to allow visitors to see the inside of a hangar, which I'm sure most people have never seen. What kind of work is carried out in the hangar? Here, the planes undergo detailed inspections, and it's a place where maintenance work is carried out. In human terms, it's like getting a complete physical examination.
Next, they wear helmets and go into the number 2 hangar to get a closer look at planes being serviced.
Wow! It's a lot bigger up close, isn't it? It sure is. The hangar is really big. How big is it? This hangar is big enough to hold up to 6 planes. That's huge. Looking at it from the ground, it really is impressive. It is. If you think of the hangar we were in earlier as where the planes would get a full examination, in this hangar, they carry out what you could call a checkup. As you can see, that's the actual Airbus A350 you saw a model of before, earlier in the day. How many people are involved in maintenance work? At Haneda Airport, there are about 1,300 people involved in flight and routine maintenance, as well as engineers. So many people are involved in ensuring safety.
Priyanka just had a chance to see the inside of a hangar where planes are inspected and maintained. Before leaving the area, she's treated to the sight of an airplane landing on the runway, right in front of her.
We're back inside now. What's this section? This is a bit different from the sections you've seen. This is called Future Zone, and here we introduce JAL's initiatives toward the future. If you touch the panel in the middle, it'll show those initiatives on a 180-degree large display. Seeing this really makes me excited about the future. Thank you. JAL aims to continue taking on new challenges, and the biggest challenge we're working to realize is creating new value with our customers. I look forward to it. Thank you.
This time, we visited JAL Sky Museum to learn about the work and history of Japan Airlines and got a close-up view of an actual aircraft. Hope you enjoyed it.